I got this phone for $25. It's a Verizon's Orbic Wonder. I got it at Walmart. It was a clearance, and it says the regular price was $99, and I got it for 25 bucks. And specs on this thing is a Qualcomm Octa-core processor, 13 megapixel rear camera, and 8 megapixel front camera. Screen size is 5.5. And here's the phone right there. Yeah, check it out. So it has 4G LTE quad band with headphone jack. Weighs about 5.57 ounce, and 16 gigabyte storage, and Android operating systems, probably Nougat. So I'll check it out. So this one has the phone color is black, expandable memory, SD card up to 256 gigabyte, weighs about 5.6 ounce, like I said earlier. Speed is 64-bit octa-core 1.4 gigahertz. Battery life is 300 milliamp, non-removable. And this package will contain the Orbic Wonder, the 4G LTE SIM pre-installed, the battery, the USB Wall-C charger, SIM tool, and Verizon brochure. So this one comes with a USB-C charger, cable and charger, phone, the brochure, and the SIM tool. And here's the phone, pretty big. Here's my Sony phone. It's about the same, almost the same size. Yeah, it's big, almost same size. And ZTE that I got last time, for this one I got for $13. It's slightly bigger. Let's take out the, so there's no crack. Again, this is 25 bucks. Powering on. And where's the SIM card in this thing? I'll remove it first, because I won't be able to pass the Verizon let me remove the SIM card. There it goes. Alright, I removed the SIM card. This back. Let's go English. No, I did it backwards. Phone activation next. We just set this as new. Now it's at 8%, so I'm gonna charge this and continue later. Alright, I'm recording in a dark area. It's off. That's on the other side. It looks really slow adjusting. Get my old thermometer. My fortress of solitude. Alright. It's slow when you're watching the background, like it's moving really slow. Dark area. Alright, I'm outdoor. Alright, I'm outdoor. feels like the background is lagging when I'm watching it. Yeah, it's lagging. The background is lagging, like it's skipping. See how it looks like on the when I'm editing this. Front camera. I mean back camera. Better. Look, butterfly. So the back camera looks good. But when it's not enough light, it tends to like a lag. Alright, I tested this and it's slow on some cases and fast in some cases. Video sucks, but $25 so audio is fine, not too bad, and screen is nice. It's 1080p. Watching YouTube and it's fine, and it's the only thing is when you take a picture or video, it's terrible, my opinion. Right, this is the Orbic Wonder I got for $25. Specs is good, just that the video really bad. So I've just used it for a regular phone and watching some, YouTube and some little content. Yeah, it's fine. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.